you could do it. All right, now it's getting a little late, so what do you say we all go enjoy some free time?
Hey, man. Oh, what are you doing?
Why does everybody keep doing that?
Sorry, we're just doing our part as activity directors.
And what's the activity today?
Wakeboarding. No! No!
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm great.
Don't suppose you came over here to see anyone in particular?
No, just getting some exercise.
Do you play a lot of sports?
Canoeing. That's pretty much it.
I'm really not all that sporty either. I played soccer when I was little, but who doesn't? I don't know if it counts as a sport, but I kind of love to be a dancer. It's like my nerdy secret. If I could be anything, that's what I'd be, Wish. What would you be?
I don't know. Never thought about it.
Probably because if you could be anything, you'd be you. Do you want to ask you something really stupid? I was goofing around, and I accidentally sort of wrote your name on my hand, but used permanent ink by mistake.
No one's ever written my name on their hand before.
Really more my wrist.
Dana.
Yeah? Oh, God, it's my dad. I'm so sorry. I'm not supposed to be talking to you. Hurry. Go.
Dana? Dana?
Hey! I saw this canoe.
Ugh. Don't touch it. It's one of theirs. I'll have an attendant fish it out. What's on your wrist?
Nothing.
You want to know what I want to be? The kind of guy who can tell you how he really feels. I hate canoes. I'm still an idiot. I still agree. Dude, you can't keep hitting me. Thank you. Ow! Thanks, Mitchie.